Donald Trump is the naked face of what the USA has always been: imperialist and evil. It was the president of the USA, Truman, who dropped the atomic on innocent people in Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. Than 200,000 people. It was Johnson of the USA who invaded Vietnam and under his authority undermined the human rights. It was George Bush who led the disinformation campaign that Iraq and Afghanistan had of mass destruction in order to justify causing instability in those nations in order to steal their oil. Fellow fighters, it was Barack Obama who orchestrated the death of brother leader Muammar Gaddafi. Until today, Libya has not recovered and our African brothers are sold in a slave trade in that region. I say this to highlight to you that Donald Trump is simply continuing a tradition of as foreign policy by the USA. When Trump invaded Venezuela and Nicolas Maduro, he is continuing a tradition of as foreign policy. When Trump's Nigeria, Iran, and finds of people of Palestine by Israel, he is continuing U.S. policy of violence as a means to entrench U.S. imperialism. I've said this before, that any expectation that after Donald Trump's term comes to an end, that our relationship with the USA will stabilize is misplaced. Donald Trump is an extension of a history of destructive U.S. foreign policy, and as long as South Africa stands with Palestine, then we will never know peace.